In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on language translation option on Facebook post. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for language and reason. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the language and reason interface. Now right over here at second, you'll be able to find this option for language you'd like to have post translated into. Tap on it. Now once you do that, make sure to select the language of your choice and tap on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now the post will be translated into this particular language. Likewise, what you have to do is simply tap on this option languages you don't want automatically translated. Now what you have to do is make sure not to select any languages over here. If any language is selected, what you have to do is tap on the cross icon right next to that particular language. Now tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, all of the languages will be translated into the language that you selected. Now whenever you see the language that you do not know in the Facebook post, it will be translated into the language that you selected. So like this, you'll be able to turn on this feature. So that is how you turn on language translation on Facebook post. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.